What's good, guys? I think this is the start of a new vlog. Currently it's 5:30 a.m. I couldn't sleep because it was quite hot. Today it was actually pretty hot and my room was also hot, and then I opened my fucking windows and then all the fucking mosquitoes and whatnot animals came to my room. So now they're fighting in my room and I cannot sleep because one, it's hot and I have fucking mosquitoes on my fucking room. I'm not trying to fight with these men. So I was like, I shout my boy Aiden because we were on a call. I was like, let's just go outside, maybe grab some food. So that is exactly what we're doing. Very last minute. As you guys know, I like to do things last minute. And why not, you know? We don't have anything to do right now. We'll get some proper food. After that, we'll go home, chilling. That's all. Regarding trading is going good. Obviously I requested a payout with Breakthrough Capital, and then Wednesday I have a payout with Titan. Thursday I have a payout with Funding Pips. Friday I have a payout with Funded Trader Markets. So yeah, that's 3 payouts in 3 days, which is quite nice. And then I don't know, I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for in terms of payouts. If you guys haven't seen, my new website is live, so make sure to go to my website and you know, maybe you can sign up because the mentorship is back open right now. It is in a one-on-one system right now. It's a one-on-one coaching program. So you know, no bullshit skis and whatnot skis. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now I'm kind of a little bit sick, like, you know, when there's like flowers and like pollen on the flowers that come through your nose, they just kind of fuck your nose up. So that's what I have right now, but I guess it'll all be good very soon. You have like medication for that. And in terms of going to Dubai, I'll probably will go to Dubai at the end of the month. Right now it's a bit too early. I have some things to handle in Belgium, so I will be here for a couple weeks. Obviously, depending on the schedule, it can also change because, as you guys know, I'm a very fast changing guy, I guess. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully all the best to you guys. It's currently the night to Saturday, so it's like 5 a.m. It's actually Saturday right now. And yeah, we'll see what Monday is a new trading week ski, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, that's pretty much it, what I want to tell you guys. I've also been working, like if you see my Instagram, right now I'm posting 1 reel a day, which is just education. Also posting trade breakdowns on YouTube and just educational content on its own. And obviously just normal content on TikTok and IG as well. So I will be pretty active, getting back active on the socials. So hope you guys enjoy the trade breakdowns and everything. And if you have any video ideas, feel free to drop it down below in the comments. I'd be you know, I'll take this serious. So if there's a very good video idea, then I will for sure try to make a video on it. So yeah, what's good, guys? Currently it's about 7 p.m. We are 6th of May, and I'm just gonna show you guys. I just requested a payout with Titan Capital Markets. So let me show you guys. It's actually very simple. So you can see here on dashboard, your payout request has been received. We are writing to confirm that your withdrawal request has successfully been received. So as you can see right here that you know, Titan Capital Markets requested $4,750. If you go onto the payouts, we can see this was submitted. These two have been paid out. They were rejected on accident, and this one is the same payout, as you can see. So it got approved afterwards. So in total we have 9.5k, 3.6, so that's 13k, 8.5, 3.5, so 19. Wait, let me calculate this. Okay, so if you just put this in like this, boom, boom, boom. Wait, 42.75. That's a total of $33,000 withdrawn from Titan only in about 5 months, because my first payout, as you can see, was 01/16, so 16 January. This one got denied, unfortunately, but that was just because I broke a rule, so that's completely fine. But yeah, that's pretty much you know, how I've been doing with Titan Capital Markets. I have another request with funding pips tomorrow, and then another one with funded trader markets on Friday. So yeah, or Thursday. I don't actually remember. Well, either way, one of those days. So hopefully we get paid out by all of them. And yeah, that's pretty much the update I have right now. I'm just making some content, doing a trade breakdown for YouTube. So probably you'll already have seen that video before this one comes out, because this one will probably come out in a couple days, or maybe at the weekend, because I obviously need to record some content for the vlog. Because you know, I haven't been vlogging a lot because I've just been working, and there's not really much to make videos of, right? Maybe when we go back to Dubai, I'll be more active. Obviously, it will. So that's coming soon. Anyways, I'll catch you guys. Alright, prozzies, we are back. It's been a minute since I picked up this camera. A lot has changed. I've made a couple payouts. So far I'm up 27 grand for the month, and it's only 12th of May, sorry. So what got paid is Titan, 4.2k, 1.5k with funding trader market, 7.1k with funding pips, 2k with breakthrough. Then I have another 2k with breakthrough on Thursday, 1.5k in 2 weeks, 4.2k in 2 weeks, and then 5k in another 2 weeks. So it's been progressing good trading wise. Friday I'm most likely going back to Dubai because I've just been bored. I can't lie, this Belgium place fucking boring. I'm gonna take my PC and everything, and I'm gonna take you guys with me, I guess. So this might either be a very fucking long vlog, which probably will. Like, I don't really want to put out a Belgium vlog because this shit is mad boring. But to be honest, I haven't gone outside in a while. Like, I've just been inside at home. I go to the barber. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so it's like, really, I'm not doing anything but just working. Obviously, I don't work 24/7. I'm not gonna fucking lie. Like, everyone on this fucking social media app says working. Yeah, I do work, right? Like, right now, I'm actually about to work. That's why I picked up the camera, because, like, for example, I have my daily plans, right? A daily task plan. So what I'm supposed to do is 3 posts on Twitter, after the 1 trade breakdown for IG, after the 1 for YouTube, which I already did. We have to post 1 reel a day, which my editor did. After the 3 TikTok slideshows, which I think I almost did. I have to record 2 mentorship videos and 2 breakdowns of the challenge I passed on Titan, phase 1 and phase 2. Then I'm gonna do funding pips, which, if I do remember how I passed it, probably I can find it on the dashboard. But yeah, I'm gonna do these, and that's gonna be the work for today. And then maybe later in the evening, I have a call with my editor, and we're gonna see what's next for content. I also had a call this morning with my one-on-one student. He's been progressing a lot lately, so he's doing a good fucking job. I think he's collecting his data now, so he's improving very fast, doing his thing, which we love to see. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys through what we're doing, whatever we're doing. It's currently 5 p.m. I woke up at like 3, I think, because I was awake till 7 a.m. because obviously I took a trade on gold, made like 6k. And after I was on another trade actually, and I was floating 3k. My TP was like I would say like 3k TP1, and then another TP which was like 5k. But I just went back to break even because I had a very good entry. So yeah, that's really it. We'll see what happens for the rest of the day. It's kind of good weather in Belgium right now, but obviously Dubai is just different. So yeah, when I'm going back to Kareem and Nuri, my boys, because we're gonna do some crazy shit. But yeah, we're gonna be chilling with them. Yusuf might come by later as well. I'm not really sure. For the rest, that's gonna be the motion. I'm gonna take you guys with it. And a note: I've seen a lot of people ask me like, why don't you do edits in your vlog? But I don't fucking care. I vlog because people ask me to vlog, and I enjoy vlogging sometimes, not every time, not always, but I do enjoy vlogging kind of, and it's also good to document my life because, like, if I look back, like last year's vlogs, there's a big difference, and even like in every type of aspect of life. So it's nice for me, and I don't really like edits. Like, why the fuck would I put music on flashy things? I know it's gonna get more views, but that's not really the point of me, right? That's not really what I do. I'm not really someone that's gonna fucking boast with money and act like all flashy. Sure, I'll show you guys how much I make because I'm trying to be transparent. Because every payout I get has proof behind it. Like, there's a payment, there's a fucking certificate, it's all legit. But I don't really care about fucking showing what I'm doing, the lifestyle I'm living. Sure, you can see, look, I'm flying this, I'm going to Dubai, I'm eating this, but that's not really like editing, Lambos, this and that. It's not really that, you know what I'm saying? It's just realistic. It's actually what I'm doing. Like, I don't fucking rent the car for a day and act like that's a day in my life, because it's not, right? Like, same thing, like, for example, the X6, for example, that was rented for a month or a month and a half. So that makes sense if it's a day in the life. But if I rent the car for a day, how the fuck is a day in my life like a realistic? No, it's not. It's just one fucking day, right? I don't even own the car, right? So how is it realistic? It's not. That's why I don't want to like lie to you guys as well. I keep it transparent as possible. Anyway, this was too long, 5 minutes. I don't think anyone has fucking watched this far. But anyways, I'll see you guys. What is good, guys? Currently Wednesday, 2 days left until we go to Dubai again. I don't know why, but I feel like every time I pick up this vlog in my room, I'm going to Dubai somehow, which is good, right? I'm currently about to leave. I'm getting picked up by my boy Aiden. Gotta do some shizzle, and then I'm gonna come home, probably sleep for a bit because I haven't slept for the whole night. I was grinding mentorship videos out. I'll show you guys tonight. I've literally posted like 5 videos, 2 trade breakdowns, daily analysis. I've done some other shit that I needed to do. So it's been a grind, it's been a hustle, but we love this shit. We live for this shit. Okay, that's kind of gay. Also requested a payout with breakthrough capital just now. I'll show you guys tonight, probably when I get paid as well. So it's about 2.2k USD. So it's not too bad of a payout, you get me. So yeah, that's pretty simple. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. I don't know how many parts this vlog will have, because like I don't know how much I've recorded since I've been in Belgium, but I hope it's somewhat entertaining for you guys. My room's a mess, by the way, but yeah, 2 days left until we go. I'm gonna bring my PC and everything, so it's gonna be properly locked in. Like, I'm still gonna be able to do like actual YouTube videos. My camera seems to get fixed somehow. It's kind of good, and I'm trying this new trim out. It's not really new, but I used to do this in the summer. Obviously, it has to grow a bit more to get full, but it looks better than what I used to do before. Can't lie, so I might just stick to this. So yeah. Also, guys, in the comments, should we get the X5 back? Let me know in the comments, because I've driven the X6. I get the X5 back for a month, and then we might rent a GT3 RS or like I don't know, any car for a day, and then just make crazy content. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll make it happen. What you requesting? Fucking make it happen, cuzzy. What's up, guys? I just woke up, low key. I'm 50 minutes ish off Dubai, I think. I'm not really sure, but it was a smooth flight. I had food, and then I knocked out for like 6 hours, or like 5 hours, which is good. So yeah, I'm just waiting to land. Then I'm getting picked up by my driver, going to the Airbnb, the apartment with Kareem, and then we might grab some food, because I'm looking a bit hungry. I had steak on the plane, but it was kind of mid. Like, I can't lie, it was like very chewy, you know. The only option was medium and well done, and I said well done because I don't like medium, but so just a medium low key. But it is what it is. So yeah, it was 43 minutes to be exact. I took a trade. I got paid by Breakthrough Capital today, and on the flight I took a trade, and that same trade also at TP. So let me show you. So as you can see, Agit, it is 16 May. Obviously today is 16 May, as you can see. So it's not really, you kind of see that 16 May, but anyways, we did that, right? And then as you can see, we already made 2.4 grand on the reset. So essentially we literally paid the flight off, and we already made the new payouts for 2 weeks, and this took an hour 35. I took this trade right before I jumped on the plane, and then midway through, I think like once we took off, I hit TP. So this is a very good trade. When I am home or tomorrow, I will break down this trade, because I brought my PC for you guys to make sure to be consistent. Also, one note, you can go to my second YouTube channel, which is the link in the description, where I'm posting my trade breakdowns, because on this main channel I don't really want to mix trade breakdowns and education and everything with vlogs and everything. So this will be mainly vlogs, you know, just random shit, and then the other account will be education. So make sure to push that, subscribe to that channel, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna dip. I'm gonna show you guys once we're in Dubai in like 40-ish minutes. So yeah. Okay guys, we're in Dubai. We just arrived to the apartment with the guys. Look. Well,
go inside.
Alright guys, we got Nuri right here. And then we got Karar, and they're playing Fortnite right now.
Oh, what the fuck?
Nuri just got obliterated. Nuri got chopped in real life on trading and also on Fortnite.